Mixing a green tea mask. Step 16. Green tea leaves with honey for a quick mask. Brew a cup of green tea, then remove the tea bag and let it cool. Cut the tea bag open and dump the wet tea leaves into a bowl. Add about 1 US tablespoon 15 milliliters of honey to the tea leaves and combine them to make a paste. Apply the paste to your clean face and relax for 15 minutes before rinsing off the mask with warm water. Follow up with your favorite facial moisturizer. This mask can exfoliate your skin, reduce redness, and treat acne. Use this mask as often as once a week. Step 17. Mix a green tea, coconut oil, honey, and lemon juice mask for brightening. Add 1 tablespoon green tea leaves, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice to a bowl. Then, use a whisk or spoon to combine the ingredients until they're smooth. Apply the mask to your face with your fingers, then relax for 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, rinse off the mask with warm water. Apply a moisturizer after you rinse off the mask. This mask can moisturize your skin and may nourish it when it's stressed or sunburned. Use this mask as often as once or twice a week. Step 18. Make a sheet mask using green tea and rice paper. Brew a cup of green tea, then pour it into a small baking sheet. Lay your rice paper over the green tea, making sure it's totally saturated. Leave the rice paper to soak for 1 to 2 minutes, then pull it out of the green tea. Place the rice paper over your face and relax for 10 to 15 minutes before removing the sheet. Don't worry about rinsing your face. This mask fights inflammation and aging while moisturizing your skin. Follow the mask with your favorite facial moisturizer. Use this mask once or twice a week for best results. Step 19. Make a green tea and yogurt mask to exfoliate and nourish your skin. Steep a bag of green tea for about 5 minutes. Remove the tea bag and let it cool. Then, put about 1 tablespoon of the wet tea leaves into a bowl. Add about 1 tablespoon of full-fat yogurt to the bowl and mix the ingredients until they're combined. Use your fingers to apply the mask to your clean face and relax for up to 30 minutes. Finally, wet the mask with warm water, then scrub it off with your fingers. After you rinse your face, apply your favorite facial moisturizer. Use this mask once a week at the most. For more details, read the description below. Click the subscribe button to get more tips like this.